Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very simple and useful English word. The word is also. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it. Let's get started. So, what is also? The word also is very easy to understand. It means in addition or to. We use it when we want to add more information to what we are saying. It's a connecting word that makes our sentences more complete. Let's look at the basic meaning. Also helps us add extra information. For example, I like apples. I also like bananas. See how we added more information? We told about apples first, then we added bananas using also. Now, let's learn how to say it correctly. The word is pronounced as also. It's very simple. Just say all and then so. Also. Also. Practice it with me. Also. Great job. When do we use also? We use also when we want to add information in our sentences. For example, she is smart. Also, she is kind. We added another quality about her using the word also. You can use also at the beginning of a sentence. Listen to this example. I like music. Also, I like dancing. Notice how we started the second sentence with also to add new information. You can also put also in the middle of a sentence. For example, she also loves reading books. Here, also comes after the subject and before the verb. This is very common in English. Let's see how also works with verbs. He also runs fast. The word also comes before the main verb. This shows that running fast is an additional quality or action that he does. Now, let's look at some daily life examples. I also have a dog. We also go to school. They also eat breakfast. You also play soccer. These are simple sentences you can use every day. Can we use also in questions? Yes, we can. For example, do you also like pizza? This question asks if the person likes pizza in addition to something else. It's very natural and common. Let's talk about common mistakes. First, never use also and to together. Don't say, I also too like it. That's wrong. Second, place also in the correct position. Third, remember to add a comma after also when it starts a sentence. Time to practice. Listen and repeat. I like tea. Also, I like coffee. She also plays the piano. We also visit the park. Try saying these sentences out loud. Practice makes perfect. Let's practice more sentences. He also watches movies. Do you also study English? They also eat vegetables. Keep practicing these sentences. The more you practice, the better you will become. What's the difference between also and to? Also is used at the start or middle of a sentence. It's more formal. To is used at the end of a sentence and is more casual. Both mean the same thing. Now, let's compare also and an. Also adds information with emphasis. And simply connects words or ideas. For example, she also likes ice cream adds extra information. She likes ice cream and cake just lists two things. Let's see a real-life scenario. Imagine you are talking about your hobbies. You can say, I like swimming. Also, I like biking. This tells people about two different hobbies you enjoy. Here's another scenario. You are talking about your family. You can say, my brother likes football. Also, he likes basketball. This shows that your brother enjoys two different sports. Here are some quick tips. First, use also to add new ideas. Second, put a comma after also when it starts a sentence. Third, don't use also and to together. Remember these tips. Let's summarize what we learned today. Also means in addition or to. We use also to add information. You can put also at the start or in the middle of a sentence. And always be careful with common mistakes. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel. We make English learning simple and fun. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing the word also in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep learning.